Hello everybody, how are you? Our lesson today, according to the weekly plan, is about review on units 5 and 6, Pupils book page 60 and 61, and grammar book page 60. Let's start the first exercise. The first exercise, complete the table. We have here some words related to 3 columns. The first one is about the body. Which of these words related to the body? Chest, shoulder, and throat. The second column is about education. Which of these? Head teacher, boarding school, and report. The third, talk about health, cough, temperature, and sneeze. The next exercise, circle the correct words. Robert talking with Mark. What's the matter?
I can't find my math homework. It was in my bag, and now there is no of it. I think Mike will in the he's going to write his name on it and give it to Mr. Cruz.
You are joking, right?
No, I'm not. He never studies, and I'm sure he and tests. He hasn't studied since the beginning of the school year. But he got very good in his exams.
Maybe he is a. You never know, he is very clever, and what's that on the floor?
Um, it's my math homework.
I know Mike didn't take it. Be careful what you say next time.
Have you guessed the answers yet? Let's check out our answers together. The first one is sign, stool, break, cheats, marks, genius.
And now I wanted to remind you one of the key words of the present perfect, which is ever. Have you ever seen a witch, Miss Marwa?
No, I haven't. I have never seen a witch. But before we answer, I want to remind you the keywords of the present perfect: for, since, already, just, and never. We use already to show a time before now. We use just to talk about a recent event. We use never to talk about things that haven't happened. And for and since, we use for to show a period of time, and we use since to show when the time started.
What is the key words of the negative sentence?
We use in the question and negative ever and yet. We use yet to ask about things that happened up to now, and we use yet in the negative and questions to say until now. And yet comes at the end of the sentence of the sentence and at the end of the questions.
The first exercise, complete the sentence with the present perfect symbol of the words in brackets. Judy has gone to the library to study for her French test.
Have you seen a mommy?
James and I haven't finished our project on ancient Egypt.
Jason has read the book twice.
How long have you had that bad cough?
He hasn't said anything to us all day.
The next exercise, circle the correct answers. I'm starving. I haven't eaten for hours.
We have been on holiday the middle of July. I want to go back to school since the middle of July.
He has studied for a test. He has just very clever. He has never.
John isn't at school now. He is left. He is already left.
Have you had a bad report? Have you ever had a bad report?
Have you finished your test yet?
The next exercise, complete the paragraph with the present perfect simple or past simple of the verbs in brackets. Number 1, my pet cat, Dixie, has been sick for 3 days now. I have had Dixie since we moved here.
We went to the vet this morning because I was a bit worried about her.
She hasn't eaten since yesterday and she doesn't want to play. The vet took her temperature and asked me a lot of questions.
He has given me 2 kinds of medicine for her. She has got a sore throat, but the vet says she will be fine in a day or 2.
The last exercise, choose the correct answers. Hey Sally, is that your notebook? No, it isn't mine. My throat is really sore. How is yours, Andrew? Number 3, these classrooms all look the same. How do we know which one is ours? Number 4, this ring is mom's, but the necklace isn't hers. It's grandma's.
We haven't got a canteen at our school, but my brother say is brilliant. Theirs. Are those granddad's glasses? No. He's wearing his. Those are mom's. Is this your treasure or mine? My feet are sore. So are mine.